awareness of development finance, corruption and social integrity. Mashinani ndo wanatoa do afu inajenga place ingine. Hata jingi hadi Nairobi. Nairobi Kenya wanapata loan na wanapata debt. Loans in development versus corruption. Na hivyo pelekeza pesa nje ndio wanapata chance ya kuiba tena pesa. Lakini once uko na government ID, kitu ya kwanza unafaa kuweka banki zako zote hapa hivi Kenya. Every details, the bank, everything. Hakuna mambo na foreign bank. Once unakuwa government official, unakuwa police, unakuwa government doctor, unakuwa nini, once uko na government ID, hakuna bank foreign. Bank ni hapa hivi. Laws are essential for national development, infrastructure, health, education when properly utilized. Betrayal occurs through diversion of funds by systematic corruption, creating long-term debt burdens on citizens. Mechanism of corruption and exploitation. Scheme companies, how it works. Fake or offshore entities used to reroute public funds into private hands. Fake invoicing, overpricing or fictitious billing in government contracts. Money laundering, hiding illicit money through real estate banks or offshore accounts. Organ trafficking, hostile involved in illegal harvesting of organs, especially targeting the poor or displaced. Sex and child trafficking, children lured or abducted into forced labor or sexual exploitation rings. Racketeering, illegal business activities protected by corrupt officials or criminal cartels. Ya kwanza, our parliaments, all of them, our judiciary and our executive ziko na cartels wenye watokangi pale. Hadi president kingia pale kama state house, kuna ule official fulani wa state house hajaitoka. The public hezi jua. Ili kinakam. Kitu ya pili, hygiene, environment and public health. Hizo tumbili ndio mimi nataka kuongelelea sana. Corruption and pollution. Na kila mtu anafaa kuwa na pesa kwa mfuko. Na public health. Citizens must understand how environmental degradation impacts health, climate, and national security. Core concepts: waste management, clean water access, and sanitation directly affects disease prevention. Urban planning, climate adaptation, and clean energy reduce vulnerability to health crisis. Health literacy and digital access, information science, empower informed decision and reduce misinformation. Caring for the elders in a changing society, modern economies separate families units through work migration, education, and urbanization. Many elders are left without support, yet hold wisdom and spiritual guidance vital to social cohesion. Solution: home care support policies, intergenerational bonding programs, and elder pension protection. Respecting elders is not just cultural, it is constitutional, protects dignity, memory, and continuation. This is how kutakuwa na national harmony, national unity. Mimi niko na vitu nyingi za kuangalia policy about it. Hapa hivi, Gen Z, tunafaa kuwa so much equipped for negotiation.